Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Saskia and I create home and wardrobe style videos. So today's video we're going to be talking about how to build an intentional wardrobe. Now I'm specifically going to be giving you the steps on how to do so, and if you're interested in seeing how I do so for my own wardrobe, just give this video a thumbs up and I'll be sure to create that for you. Especially in this day and age, it's so important to be intentional about everything that you're doing, where you invest your time, who you're spending your time with, what you're investing your money with. It's just the intentionality of living is super important, and I want to make sure that you're able to do so with your wardrobe as well. So when it comes to building an intentional wardrobe, most of the time it's good to start with a clean slate. Now I'm not saying that you have to get rid of everything and just toss everything out and start with a fresh slate. What I am saying is that you should start off with a wardrobe edit. So clear out that closet, go through every single piece, try every single piece on, and focus on the season so that you're able to go through and see what fits, what doesn't, what serves you and what doesn't, so that you can start with a clean slate and build from there. The next thing that you'll want to do is create a wish list. Now again, you're going to want to focus on the season, create a wish list based on what you need for this season or this fall and winter season, and then tackle the wish list little by little with intentional shopping. While you're creating that wish list, and now that you have a clean slate, you're going to want to start looking at maybe creating a color scheme for yourself. There are 3 parts of the color scheme that are going to be super helpful in making everything comprehensive and intentional. You're going to have your base colors, you'll have your tonal colors, and you'll have your seasonal colors. So your base colors are basically those really, like, it's literally your foundation. It's the foundation of your wardrobe. And generally speaking, people usually go with black or navy blue. But other colors can serve as your base as well, depending on your style and your color scheme. For instance, this fall, my base color is brown. Then you'll go in with your tonal colors. Now these colors are very basic colors that are complementary to your base color and set the tone for where your wardrobe is gonna head in terms of direction. And then you have your seasonal colors. These colors are things that you're going to be swapping in and out of your wardrobe based on the season, and it can really change. So for instance, amber is a super popular color for this season. We have sage, that's also a very popular color for this season. If you want to know a little bit more about what fall colors are trending and popular for this season, and also would be very, very beneficial to growing a base wardrobe, click on the video right above. I'll link it right here so that you can go ahead and watch that. So to reiterate, your base colors are going to be about 60% of your wardrobe. Then you're going to have your tonal colors that are going to be 30% of your wardrobe, and then you'll have your seasonal colors that will be about 10% of your wardrobe. It's not set in stone, the percentage, so you can definitely mix and match. However, that's what I suggest if you're first starting off and trying to create something intentional. The next thing I like to do is super fun. I like to create almost like a mental vision board for what your wardrobe is going to represent. Pick 3 words that describe what you want your wardrobe to speak about you. So for instance, you could have the 3 words be comfort, sophisticated, and tailored. And so every single piece that you include in your wardrobe should fall and be supplemental and supportive to those 3 descriptive words. Another example could be Parisian, bold, and timeless. So that could be for somebody that's looking for a wardrobe that represents those 3. Don't be shy. Start to get inspiration. Draw inspiration from Pinterest, Instagram, your favorite fashionistas, and just start to build excitement around what you're going to create. The more research that you put in up front, the more intentional your wardrobe will be in the back end. And you'll save a ton of money and frustration with exchange and playing around and searching for your style if you do the research up front. And the last step to the system of creating an intentional wardrobe is to get intentional shopping started. Now I know you're gonna want to start doing this like before you do any of the other steps, but it's so critical that this is the last step that you take and you set yourself up for success by following the other steps. It's really going to give you some focus and some structure and direction so that you are building an actual intentional wardrobe as you go. At the end of the day, if there's 2 things that I hope that you remember, it's that to keep it functional and keep it stylish, because at the end of the day, that's what you want your wardrobe to be. functional for your wardrobe and stylish to show your personality. And of course, be patient. Also, don't hesitate to ask for help. Building a wardrobe takes a lot of work, and it takes a lot of brain power, and it takes a lot of patience. So if you need a little bit of assistance, that's totally okay. Find a stylist just like me who can help you navigate those waters and take some pressure off and some stress off of the process. The longer you take, the less pressure it'll be because you're giving yourself more time. But if you really don't want to invest and wait all this time, find a specialist that can help you cut down on the time but also increase the quality of the work that you're getting. Alright babe, that pretty much completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know if you want me to continue creating videos like this. Also, if you've been around and you're kind of tiptoeing about subscribing, please go ahead and do so. I would love to have you as a part of the family. Make sure you turn on the notifications bell so that you never miss an upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!